Hello, my name is Jessica, President and CEO of Tamvoes. Meet my mom and my grandma, Tina Tamming and Yvonne DeVoost. Last year, I was their primary caregiver while they struggled with cancer. In every appointment, they had to constantly repeat their story over and over again. This was very taxing on myself and themselves. There should be a place where you can store all this information and share it with professionals and individuals. Therefore, Tamvoes was created. Tamvoes is an online platform that empowers users to manage their health information all in one easy-to-use space. Our solution allows you to share and secure information all in one spot. An individual creates a team consisting of professionals and loved ones and starts sharing this important information and healthcare profile sections. Tamvoes has created two interconnected websites, one for the professional and one for the individual. We have identified our market opportunity to fall within the practice management system sector. Due to our competitors, we believe that we can capture $9 million of the market as we head towards maturity. The professional site was developed for professionals such as physiotherapists and counselors. In addition to that, it's a subscription fee basis, but they could block register their clients for the premium site on the individual through block registration, adding value to the clients. The individual side, you create a free account. You can start sharing journal entries and information about your health. If you choose to, you can opt to increase to the premium subscription and unlock key features of the site. We are also monetizing the professional search. Therefore, you can search key professionals in your area. .Health and Jane app are our deepest competitors at this point. We believe we have a competitive edge due to the security on our site. We have partnered with MedStack and also BlackBerry Spark that not only the information is housed securely, but the transfer of information is very secure for our clients as well. Q2 2021 has seen exponential growth. We are starting to see people in the double digits registering organically for our site. We've increased our marketing efforts, thus seeing more people and traction to our site. We have a very strong team. Madison McVeigh is my co-founder and has specialty in health informatics and technology. We are growing quickly, therefore we have to hire a senior sales rep and lead developer. We scored well in the LiONS LAIR Pillar of Business Scores. In conclusion, Tamvoes is an online platform that empowers users to manage their holistic information, connecting your holistic health. Our ask is for the prize money in this competition. Thank you very much.